Hi everyone. Right, so we're going to open this box. I got this sent in the post. It's my third PR package. If you haven't watched my previous video, you won't know this is coming. But in my previous video, after I've done this look, I'll link it up. If you like this look, I'll link it up. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. I always do unboxings. I haven't done one for a while. Haven't been receiving anything, what with everything going on, and I'm glad, just to be on the safe side. This one, it's been in my PO box for quite some time now, and it's been sanitized bits when I got it home. So we'll open it up. It's packed full, and it's from Nip Fab. I've never heard of them before. I didn't know this was coming. And your guess is as good as mine as to what's in it. I don't know. Just try and get the sellotape it down by the looks of it, because it's all popping up. But it's come from London. I'll put links up afterwards for their website if I can find them online. Oh wow, okay. So I'm nearly in. Just got to pull the top bit off. It's chock-a-block. It's heavy as well. Oh. Damn, I can't even open that. Like, I literally can't even open it. That's it. I think I've opened it right. Wow. Okay, look. Oh, bless. Dear Lauren, here are some Nip and Fab products for you to try. We really hope you love them. Love the Nip and Fab team. Oh, isn't that lovely? This is so lovely. Like, you guys are the only ones that send me makeup products to play with, and like, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have the collection I've got now. And there's been 2 other PR companies that have sent makeup, so it's really nice of them to like notice that I'm back on here and that send us lovely things. Oh right, okay. There's loads in here. It's absolutely chock-a-block. Are you ready for this? I'm so excited. This is huge. Alright, okay. So I've got a Nip and Fab Renew Retinol Fix Sheet Mask. I love these, by the way. I'm going to put one on Martin and all, because well, I keep saying he likes them, but we put one on him the other night and it stung like mad, and he was like, you're going to have to get it off. So this is a Nip and Fab Vitamin C mask. I love masks, really. I've got a drawer with a couple left in them. I've been going through them. This is another retinol. Oh, I've got 2 retinol, 2 vitamin C. Ooh, okay, so 2 retinol, 2 vitamin C. We've got a glycolic fix exfoliating mask. Brilliant, because my face does need exfoliating. Looking forward to that. Another glycolic, so we've got 2 glycolic exfoliating masks. And then we've got 2 of these. That looks like a Friday the 13th. I don't know why I'm thinking, is it Friday the 13th? Or is it Jason? Jason with a mask? I don't know. And then glycolic fix bubble mask. Oh God, I'm so excited. This is brilliant. So that's all going to get in my little drawer for put on the night. I'm going to wear a mask. And when I take this makeup off, oh, I'm going to keep that right. Look, so we've got this here. Nip and Fab Illuminate Vitamin C Concentrate Extreme. I've never really played with these type of stuff before. All these glycolic stuff, and I love messing about, being all girly now with all my bits and bobs. I can't wait to try that out, and I'll let you know how I get on with it. Let's have a smell. Does it smell like vitamin C? It actually does smell like what you would expect vitamin C. Oh my God, that smells good. It smells like grapefruit, mango, passion fruit, like all your fruits in one concentrate. I can't wait to dip that on my face. Oh, I'm so excited. I've got a targeted treatment cream for a refreshed, brighter looking skin. Oh, brilliant. So this is for nighttime. Is it nighttime? Eye treatment. Oh, I love eye treatments. Sometimes when you take your makeup off, you feel a bit rough around there. This one is overnight cream. Oh, get in. I love this. This is excellent. I love this. Is absolutely brilliant. I'm so grateful for getting sent things. It's brilliant. This is retinol fix overnight cream, so that's, yeah. Oh, have a squeeze of that. Oh wow, quite oh, that smells lovely. That's gotta have lavender in, has it? It's got something in it. No, it doesn't say, but it smells. It smells dead gentle and lavenderish. Oh, that feels nice on my hand. Oh, if I didn't have makeup right on now, I'd be slapping it all over my face. Oh, that smells really, really gentle and fresh, and like seriously, if I put that on my face tonight, I think it'll help us go to sleep. There's just something, you know, those pillow sprays you can get. It smells like that. Oh, that's lovely. I feel these are really feel good, like really good quality as well. This retinol day cream. So I've got the day cream. This I bet you is lovely, and I'm gonna have a smell of that, but I don't know if it smells the same. It smells just the same. It's beautiful. You should smell it. I wish you could. I wish we had smell-o-vision here. Really, really nice. Oh, that is lush. Put that there. This is so good. Glycolic Liquid Glow Extreme. Now I've never high performance toner. Oh, I don't have a toner. I've got cleanser, and that smells like smells like a stronger version of this. Go play with that. So I'm going to take all my makeup off tonight with my cleanser, because I've got the CeraVe. Take that off, then put cleanse, tone and moisturiser, and I'll have to put a moisturiser on top. Put that one on for bed. I'm going to be smelling and feeling amazing. Oh, what's these? Glycolic Fixed Night Pads. What are these? Super Strength Acid Exfoliating Facial Pads. Oh, get in. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to that. There's loads in there. Brilliant. Now what's these? Vitamin C brightening pads for the day. So for night time, take my makeup off with, maybe. Yep. And get all the dead crap off my face. And then put this on in the morning to energise. Vitamin C fixed brightening pads. Oh, I will tell you how I get on with this lot. I haven't looked on their website yet. So I don't know what the prices are like or anything, but I'm going to have a look, find the proper website for you, and I'll put all the details up for you so you can have a little look yourselves. Nip Fab contour palette. Look at that. I don't have like a contour. The only palettes I've got are too shimmery, the Revolution ones. I don't have like a natural soft contour pad. This might be a bit cheaper than the Tarte one I've got. We'll have a look at the prices for you also. Banana, porcelain, biscotti, ginger, caramel and latte. Oh, get in. Now I've got these here. What are these? Oh, liquid gold. What is it? That looks lovely. What is it? Oh, is this eyeshadow? I don't know what it is. Hang on. Lilac lights. What is it? Liquid gold. Is it like a highlight for the cheek? See it? It's lilac. Lovely. Look at that. This must be for the cheeks, is it? Yeah, it will be for the highlight. Gorgeous. Look at that. And then we've got this one, like a peachy, like a dark peachy look. Oh, yeah, this must be highlights. Look at that. So this one's like a copper bronzy peach. Oof. My hands smell amazing off that cream. That's that one there. That is lovely. And then there's another one here. This is a very light peach one. Oh, lovely. Oh, I like that. There, so you can see. Hope I put enough on there. Yeah, I have. So, look at that. They're going to be brilliant to put on top. And I love cream products. As you know, I'm not a massive matte fan. Not when it comes to my face, because I look quite wrinkly already. Ooh, what we've got here. So we've got two palettes here. This one, It's a Vibe. Oh, I love palettes. Yeah, I feel like it's my birthday. It's so brilliant, this. Nip, oh, look at them. Look at the colours on them. It's got plenty of transition colours in there, haven't we? Just Peachy, Sunday, Bite, Boss Lady, Seeing red, popping, eyes on me, transition, dreams and softly. This is a transition and it is a good transition colour, isn't it? Let's have a look how good these, oh man, my hands have just glided on it. I don't know if I'm going to be having much any hand room for you. Look at the pigmentation on that. Really, really excited to play with this lot. Ooh, look at that. God, I feel so special. Now for the next one. I have no idea what's in here, but there's pinks by the looks of it. So this one's Fash Hun. So that one's It's a Vibe and Fash Hun. This is exciting. Let's have a look. Oh, this is so lovely. Now I like this one. Look at that one. That is gorgeous. Straight away I want to go in with that gold. And then that blue looks lovely. Oh, look at that. What else we've got? We've got a nice, I'm sure someone will want to have a look at that pink. I'll do some looks with this. Then there's a dark one here. I'm hardly touching them as well. They're really pigmented and good. And I've got a black. I love having a black. You can't have enough black. This is absolutely brilliant. Yeah, I'm so chuffed. Thank you so much. There's no name on there. Just love the Nip and Fab team. But I really can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for thinking of us and sending us these. That's really lovely. It is. Really appreciate it. I'll put some links up for you all if you just want to go and check all this stuff out. I'm telling you though, that cream smells amazing. It's just so gentle and clean. I can't explain. It's clean and gentle smell. And then this, I can't wait to put a bit of that on. Makes it smells like mango and passion fruit. I'm having another whiff of that. You know the Onken yogurt, and it's got passion fruit and mango, passion fruit and something else. It just smells like that. It smells amazing. Really, really, really gorgeous. I'm so over the moon with this lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I hope you have enjoyed this little video. There's probably not going to be another unboxing for a long time, obviously, because of what's going on. But if I get anything else, and I will promise I'll share it with you. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned, and if you like this makeup look, I'll put a link in the video description box as well, because I've just done this look. And then tomorrow, Sunday, 7 PM GMT, come and join us for a live. You're going to be picking my makeup look. And so far, they've been amazing. I love how we all get together. And I'm sorry, I know a lot of the people in the US who keep saying that you've missed us because it's on early here. But we'll stay on for about an hour, so I hope you can catch one between 7 and 8. So I'll see you on a bit. Zoom, zoom.